Hi, in this lecture I'm going to show you why brackets are so important in Microsoft Excel. So basically, when you're performing calculations, brackets are essential in Microsoft Excel to ensure that you get the right order in your calculation. I'll give you an example. So if I wanted to work out 10 minus 6 times 2, what would the answer be? Well, it could be two answers. One, it could either be minus 2 or it could be 8. How come? Well, if we looked at it this way, 10 minus 12 is basically the 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. So 10 minus 12 would give us minus 2. Or if it's 8, that would be derived as 10 minus 6, which is 4. And then the 4 is then multiplied by 2, which will give us 8. Now, how do we solve this dilemma of having two answers? Well, basically, we put brackets on whatever calculation we want done first. So for the minus 2 answer, we would write the following. Equals 10 minus brackets 6 multiplied by 2. So with the brackets, it explicitly tells Excel to calculate whatever's in the brackets first. So in this case, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So 10 minus 12 would give us minus 2. Now, if we wanted the second answer, we would then write the following. Equals brackets 10 minus 6, close bracket, multiplied by 2. So again, the brackets are telling Excel explicitly to evaluate whatever's inside those brackets. So 10 minus 6 would be 4. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. So there you go, folks. Brackets are essential in Microsoft Excel. And wherever you want to eliminate any ambiguity, I recommend you use them in all your calculations just to make it crystal clear what's being evaluated first. So to give another example where we're mixing a formula along with a standalone cell value, this is the sum function, and it's basically summing these two values first and then multiplying the result of these two values by the value in this cell here. So we would write equals sum brackets B35, comma D35, close brackets, the multiplication symbol, and then F35. Now, again, we've got brackets here, which is part of the actual function. In other words, it's part of the sum function. So using our rule of whatever's in the brackets gets evaluated first, this function will get evaluated first. Then the result of this will be multiplied by F35, which is 15, which will give us a result of 225. Now, brackets can be used for wrapping anything. And if you have more than one set of brackets, then it's the inner bracket set which always gets evaluated first. To give an example, here I've written equals 50 minus brackets 10 minus brackets 5 minus 1, close bracket, then close bracket. And we get an answer of 44. So let's break that down. So this is the inner bracket here. So that will get evaluated first. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Then we go on to this bit here. So we go 10 minus, the result of this was 4. So it's 10 minus 4, which is 6. Then 50 minus this result, which was 6, gives us 44. So that's how it works, folks. Okay, so just to conclude this lecture, I have overviewed why brackets are so important when you're writing Microsoft Excel formulas. Now, the best way to grasp this concept is to basically practice. Practice, practice, practice until you feel comfortable that you can use the brackets in your own calculations. And another way I recommend also is to use pen and paper. Write down a calculation on paper and see if you can match it in Excel. And again, if there's any questions or queries, feel free to message me. Thank you for listening and watching.